keys to this gorgeous BMW M4 Competition running 600 horsepower. In this we have the 3-litre inline-6 with upgraded turbos and an upgraded cooling system. It also has an upgraded exhaust system, and I'm going to start it up now so we can have a listen. My personal favourites are these gorgeous lightweight wheels sat on PS4s and adjustable coilovers as well, giving it that great stance look. So moving on to the interior now, we've got these gorgeous white leather seats, and I want to know your thoughts in the comments on whether or not you like these. So inside this cockpit, it is just a gorgeous place to be. We've got the gorgeous carbon inlays all the way throughout, as well as the full leather multifunctioning steering wheel and the flappy paddles. So inside this M4, it is fully kitted out with lots of spec, including the satellite navigation system, rear parking sensors, upgraded sound system, and of course front heated seats. Also fitted from factory is this gorgeous carbon roof, which makes it look just loads sportier when on the roads. So that is the BMW M4 Competition. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on whether or not this is something that you would drive. Also, lucky for you, you can actually win this car. Just check out the links below.